Hi, hello, ExcellentSlides here. We create excellent presentations. Yes guys, it's been a while without any videos on this channel, but yeah, generally I would like to apologize you a little bit of that, but also try to understand me, because I've been creating a new website of ExcellentSlides. So since now you will be able to read articles about presentation design, PowerPoint and public speaking on our blog. So yeah, without further ado, I will show you how to get access to the website. Alright, so yeah, now I'm in just PowerPoint, but please open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and please just search our name, so ExcellentSlides. Yeah, click enter, and as you can see right here, our website pop up, so just click it, and now you are on our homepage. So if you are interested in our services, etc., our portfolio, etc., you can get scrolling. But if you would like to go to the blog, just click here this menu button, and here you have blog and the shop. Shop for now is not available because we are still creating it, but blog is available. And as you can see, just click whatever you want, whatever you are interested in, and you can keep reading. Yeah, that's how it works. So yeah, for now there are only 2 articles, but we will keep creating them. And I decided to, from this day, I would like to record more videos. I think it will be 3 per week. So yeah, you will be getting more valuable videos. So summing up, there's a new website, we have a blog, you can start reading articles about our tutorials and videos. Please subscribe our channel. You can also share this video to your colleagues or your friends. Have a great day and lead a happy life. ExcellentSlides.